So it came in. I'm mad. I did this entire video and it did not record for some reason. I got the first 1 minute of the video. Lovely. And I went on to start swapping colors. I got all into this. I bought the palette. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna use Explode. It's a little chalky. I don't know why, but I like to do this. Okay, so first of all, let's see how it applies on the eye. Okay, whoa. Already, actually, enough of mine. I think I'm right. This palette's very chalky. So I'm gonna go with like a second coat of Explode. It looks like it has a good build up, so I can definitely say that. Ball of fire now, and we're gonna just, oh, damn, okay. And yes, you using Trance. That's chalky, like, can you not see that? It's very chalky. I'm gonna blow off on Trance. And I'm using Trance as a way to blend my colors together, but also lighten it up a little in a way. Ignition. But Stun Wild on top. Stun Wild. Fuck yes. It's only the first eye, so you'll have to wait for the rest of it. I totally realized that I did this whole look without recording. So yeah. Anyways, so I did this look. I don't like this one, but I love this one. I absolutely adore it, and I think it's really fucking cute. But we're gonna put the lashes on this, and I'll bring this whole thing together. I need more green underneath this one. Okay, what's my final verdict? So, I love the packaging. I think it was really cute. I love the colors. It's kind of adorable. But how a lot of the colors are very chalky. So I don't really stand the chalkiness of the colors. I think there needs to be some work. You know, like I struggled a lot blending some of these colors because they're very chalky. But then here, I tried, a different blend of colors. I love this one rather than this one. So I think, ideally, I'd probably go for this type of look. So, my palette came in. You guys know that. I'm really excited about it. And I'm also filming a lot of different, looks for this. This one is one of the looks. This one's my all-time favorite. I completely adore it, and I think it's so cute. It's like a cut crease into this smoky look. Very simple, but very elegant in my opinion. At first I wasn't happy with it because it seemed a little ashy, like the color wasn't good in my opinion. Like it didn't come on as good. It came on ashy in a way. It wasn't as vibrant as I wanted it to be, but it has a really good build up, and so I created this nice look that I'm addicted to. I think I'm always gonna use this look. So yeah, so this whole week video, month, I'm gonna be creating videos based on the palette, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you want, you can give me some color recommendations. Send me screenshots, circle some colors, send it to me on my Instagram, or comment on these colors. and I will definitely make a look based on the colors. Palette, I used the OG Savage Trance. I use Hot Contents. Oh, I use Flame Game. I use Jolt, and I use a little bit of Domination. I think these colors worked very well together. It blended it all perfectly, and I'm very satisfied with it. I finished the look off. I did my foundation. I did a little bit of bronzer. I didn't do any contour. I'm not really a contour person. I put some highlight on, and I'm very satisfied with this look, and I hope you guys like the look. Also, I have a commenter that I'm going to give a shout out to. Her name's Waffles. She's been commenting on a lot of my videos, and I just want to say, hey, I recognize you, and I thank you for being a supporter on my videos, and here's your shout out. If you want to be one of my shout outs for my next videos, just comment below, like the video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll give you a shout out. Yeah, I hope you enjoy.